Okay, so I've designed this vertical panel for storing tools with a type of runner. Has a wheel in the front, and on either side there's a guide, and then the whole panel can just come right out. And I like it. I like it a lot. But the problem is I didn't standardize the way I made it. The grooves also make it so that things have to go at a certain spot. So I redesigned it. Okay, the original plan used a track. Then I developed it without a track, like this. And the problem is, obviously, you can't really hold it with one hand very well. What I'm going to do is move this roller, and I'll explain that in a minute, and we'll modify this type so that it becomes a modification, and it has the guides and the track, and yet you can do it all just with one hand very easily. You can even leave this out part way, as long as you don't go too far, and you don't have to take it out at all, and you can still get at your tools and just have it right there. You don't have to take it down on the countertop. Plan. I'm going to take this wheel and inset it so it just sticks out a little bit below, and then I'm going to shorten these so that the track will not need to be nearly as tall. Because the panel didn't fit in the front quite the way I want it to, I'm going to reset it. Because you never know when you might want to reset them. And that's what I do. I don't glue them. Just screw them. So now I've reset the panel, and it will fit much closer to the edge, which is what I wanted.